Are you a teenager or someone who wants to start their own online brand? Well, this video is perfect for you. Well, hi there, I'm Esther and I'm also a teenager. And today I'm going to show you how to use Teesprings in 5 easy steps. You might be asking yourself, what is Teespring? Well, Teespring is a social commerce platform that allows to design and sell custom products online through a print-on-demand model. The first step is creating an account. When you arrive on this page, you must click on Create an Account and use a business email or personal email that you use frequently. Or you could click on Login and sign up with Google, YouTube, or Facebook. If you choose the first option, please create a password of your choice. Now that you finish creating your account, you're going back on Home. And you will see this button, Create Product, and you will click on it. Step 2 is choosing your product you will design. It can be either physical, like clothes, accessories, and more, or digital products like a guide, an ebook, and many more. In our case, I'll be choosing a t-shirt. I think the essential tee is a great example. Now, step 3 is the best part, which is designing the shirt. You have 26 options of colors of background, but you can only choose up to 5 only for your digital store. I will show you how to create one later. You can also choose if you want a view of the front or the back of the shirt by clicking here. After selecting your top 5 colors, you have to put a common writing or drawing on the shirt. For writing, you will see at the top a button called Add Text. Over here, you can choose the font of your writing. For example, I'll pick the font Deftone Stylus and I will write Love Never Fails. You can also modify the size of your font by using this tool. You also may pick a color between these 14 selections for your font. For example, I will keep it black. When you're done designing your product, we have to pick a price that you think suits best for the product. For example, I think that my t-shirt should be $25.99 because that's enough money to get some profits. Now that we're done choosing the prices, you have to go down and click on Advance. Then you choose which side you want to showcase on your store. Next, you can decide if you want more products for your store. You have a maximum of 15 products per listing. Do you currently feel stressed out from school or work? That's fine. Let's do some breathing method together. You have to inhale for 4 seconds, keep your breathing in for 7 seconds, and then exhale for 8 seconds. Now let's do it together. And now you're done. For listing. Let's move on to step 4. Step 4 is creating a listing for your online store. You can select the name for your design. For me, I'll pick Love Never Fails Collection. And you can put anything for the description, but I highly advise you to put an inspiring quote linked about the title of your design. At the bottom of this page, you will see the URL of your online store, and you can modify it by your liking. After all of this, click on Launch Listing, and this time we're going to Stores over here. The final step, which is step 5, is creating your online store. Over here, you can change the name of your store if you didn't do it earlier. We'll click on Edit the Store. In the navigation bar, you can add an image of the logo for your brand. You can choose the background color of the website by moving around in the scale. For example, I will choose light pink for the background. You can also choose the main menu color by also moving around again in the scale. I'll choose the color pink, but a hot pink to match the background. We are now done with this first section. Let's go back to the layout menu. For the hero banner section, you can choose the size of it. It can be either basic or advanced. Advanced is basically bigger and you get to put an image of your choice. And it goes over there. Now that we're done with the section, let's go back to the layout menu. For the footer section, you get to add text in the About Text section. It could be about the origin of your brand, a significant slogan, and many more. You choose the background color of the footer by moving around in the scale. For example, I'll choose light pink again for the background. You can also choose the text color by moving around in the scale. Again, I'll choose pink shade, but hot pink to match the background once again. You can display your business social media account to the website. To do this, click on Exit Editor and scroll down until you see Social Profiles. You must add a profile over by selecting the platform and copy-paste the URL of your business social media account. The next step, which is step 6, is optional. If you want to buy a domain through Spring, click over here and follow the instructions.